Hi everyone, today I am here with unboxing of the Herme's HL jacket, which is part of their Equestrian collection. So this is the men's version of the jacket in plum and grease. So you see the two colors here. Also comes in a noir or black and navy color as well. And there's also a women's version. So the interesting thing about this jacket is it's made for outdoor sports use and there's multiple layers. So there's 3 different ways that you can actually wear this jacket. So this is with all the layers combined. We have a nice technical, like synthetic, I believe it's elastane, 88% elastane and 12% polyamide exterior, which is windproof and waterproof. 2 pockets in the front with a nice strong zippers, so of a decent size. You can adjust the waistband or the bottom of the jacket, I should say, as well, with this little pull tab on each side. And there's also a removable hood as well. The sleeves have a nice Velcro as well, so you can tighten them up and make it a little bit closer to your arm as well. And the zipper here is how you remove the hood. And there's also pull tabs for the hood as well, just to make it a little bit tighter. So let me go ahead and unzip this and try this on. I'll be right back to show you, and then we'll kind of go into the interior. All right, so here I am with the jacket on. This is a size medium and it's very true to size. I'm typically medium in our men's sizing, so fits really well. Length on the sleeves is good, not too tight when I have it zipped up. And I do have some breathing room here in the belly and in the waist area, and I can always tighten it up using these drawstrings as well. So this is with the hood on, and I can tighten up the hood a little bit with these. So definitely great for a little bit of a cold day, maybe a potentially rainy day as well, maybe a little bit of wind because of this waterproof and windproof exterior shell. Definitely feels warm, but not too warm, and looking forward to using this. So let me go ahead and take this off and we'll go through the interior fleece section. So inside, there is a zipper on each side that you can use to go and take off the fleece, which I will do so you can see it a little bit better. And here it is. So because we don't have the exterior shell, we are losing a little bit of that the waterproof and windproof. This is more warmth. But there are 2 pockets here as well. Nice size, inner fleece lining as well. And one on this side too, both same size. Should also mention that the collars on both the fleece and the exterior jacket as well are cashmere. Inside you see I have a nice breathable backing as well. So let me go put this on. So here I am with the fleece. You see there's no sleeves here. That's from the exterior part of the jacket, but this is going to warm my core. And again, sizing is true to size. A couple of other little points of detail that I would like to point out here is the inside of the jacket. We do have the Herme Cellier patch. I already mentioned the cashmere collar for both the fleece as well as for the jacket. And there's also an Herme Cellier patch inside of the fleece as well. So in the US, as of December 2024, the HVL jacket in all colors and both men's and women's are all the same price, and it retails for $3,775. Definitely looking forward to using this winter and into the spring as well, and obviously next fall. And thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the section below, and I'll see you next time.